eyes are all fucked up. See?
Yeah. And they over here, they about to have a little fight over here. Somebody hissing. You okay? Why you acting so light skinned right now? Huh? We actually only got like 10 minutes here. We messed up. For the last boat of the day leaves. So we chilling. It's an ant over there too. You can eat that little ant. Why you don't eat it? Oh, somebody mad. They are so nice. They not scared of nothing. They ain't scared of nobody. They not scared of nobody. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop meowing and everything. Don't even care that I'm behind them. I was about to say, I'm like, I ain't about to touch nobody else. I touched one off right now.
This one, you're not gonna touch the rest of them?
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna touch anybody else. I don't know where they been.
I think I have to take this one home with me.
And then there's one behind here.
Yeah. I think unfortunately this one's gonna have to come back with me. I'm gonna have to take it to the
Are you serious?
It's gonna be my cat. I'm allergic.
Cat goals. This restaurant's closed. They're just walking down a random alley in Ainoshima. Whoa. Where you going? I told myself I was gonna stop me out and every little thing. Did you touch it?
No. I'm gonna see if Zach can put him in his bag.
You too serious. They probably don't even care about you taking the cats with them with you anyway.
They're like, please take it away.
Yeah. I like how we just pulled up though, and that lady left our house, and that cat ran, and we just came out of the house. Bruh. How many I count? One's behind you at the bike.
There's one right there.
Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought it was one right here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17 cats because it's 2 on down the street. Yeah, I've counted 17 right now. Woo, that's a big ass butterfly. No, don't kill it. Gone, but did you see that butterfly? Oh, that was a big ass butterfly.